Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Art and Ideas. Today I'm going to show you how beautifully you can draw a picture without using your brush, your color box, pencils and etc. So start painting with me. Hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I never trim any portion while editing my videos. Please do not miss any step and watch the video till end so that you can understand the process thoroughly. Today I am going to show you the effectiveness of infinite tools. Infinite tools are really workable and it's very OD for the digital painters. Today I thought to draw a couple riding on a cycle at the time of twilight. According to that, I will adjust the colors from the color palette and after that I will draw the layers and the figures. So please watch how I am adding the layers and draw different shades. As you know, Infinite Painter provides you plenty of brushes like paint brush, watercolor brush, sprayers and even paints, calligraphy maker, markers, charcoal, chalk, different types of textures, designs and whatnot. You can also download or create your own digital brush. You just have to portray your imagination onto your digital paper. Even you can custom your own digital canvas. Tap on any layers you are working on and find out plenty of tools that will help your digital work and make it easier for you. You can duplicate a layer. Duplicating a layer is actually time healing. Suppose you want to draw a same thing twice or more than those. Then you don't require drawing the same image again and again. Just duplicate the layers. Now if you want to clear the entire layer but do not want to delete the layer, then just tap on the clear button. Your whole layer will be clean. If you do not want to show or work on a layer but you need that layer after some time back, you can hide your layer. Then merge a layer with the immediate next layer of it. If you lock your layer, then you cannot do anything on that particular layer. The select option is very important. Suppose you want to select a particular portion of your layer, then select that portion and do your thing. I use almost every tools available for a layer. I will show you that too. You just need to do one thing. Watch the video till end. Okay, now let me give you some more tips about Infinite Painter. Zooming is actually important when you are adding some details in your drawing. Pinch the screen to zoom in or out. Secondly, always check the blending modes while blending colors. Make sure that you are selecting the proper blending mode. As Infinite Painter offering you a huge number of blenders, more than 25, if the blending mode is wrongly chosen, then it can create trouble when you are mixing the colors. And last but not the least, if you do a mistake, just undo it and repent. Isn't it amazing? If you feel the video is too fast to understand, please pause the video and check the brushes I use. I recently got a new project for making book cover. Actually, I share my drawings on social media. The editor noticed the painting and he said he loved it. He offered me to draw his new projects. He gave me the offer and I grabbed it. I'm just trying to say that digital painting could be your profession. So start your professional journey with me. So that's it. Look how beautiful and simple it is. Now save and export your digital art. In my next video, I will show you how to import a picture in this app and take that as a reference. But for now, we shall call it a day. If you find the video is supportive, please subscribe my channel for more painting and ideas. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy, see you in the next video.